Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Amy, and today I want to do a video going through the main things to think about and consider before you get hair extensions. So this is for anyone who's like sitting on the fence, not knowing if they're gonna, get them done or whether they're gonna be right for them. So I wanted to do a video going through the main things which I think you should think about and consider before you get them fitted. A little bit of background on myself. I've fitted hair extensions now for the last 5 to 6 years, and I've been hairdressing for like 15, so I've got a lot of experience. I'm also a hair extension addict. Like, I've had hair extensions in my own hair for like 10 years on and off. The ones which I do are the LA weave and the nano rings, and the ones which I've had in my hair are the LA weave and the nano rings. So I can't comment on every single hair extension type, but these are just the ones which I've had and I know and that I fit for my clients. And these are just the main things which I tell my clients to take into consideration before they get them fitted. So the first thing which I'm going to talk about is the cost of hair extensions. You need to take into consideration how much these are going to cost you, because they're an expensive commitment to make and they are not cheap. If you've already looked into getting hair extensions, you'll already know that the initial cost is expensive. It's usually between, well, I charge between sort of like £200 to £300 to £350, the ones which I do. So yeah, the initial cost. You also then need to think about the maintenance, which you'll have to come back for every like 6 to 8 weeks. And then you need to think about the cost of the aftercare products, because if you go away and use just any old products on these hair extensions, you're going to deteriorate them and ruin the quality of them really fast. So investing in good quality products is key. The second thing which I want to talk about is time, because you will need more time if you've got hair extensions fitted into your hair. The first thing is drying time. Gone will be the days when you can just quickly blast your hair off and run out of the house in 10 minutes flat. I would say that it takes about 30 to 45 minutes to style hair extensions. So yeah, I would say that the initial blow drying and styling takes a lot longer than normal. However, when it has been blow dried and styled and curled or whatever into position, you will find that blow dry will last for a couple of days. So in some ways you might end up saving time. It'll take you longer when you do it, but if it lasts you a few days you won't have to worry about it then. But the initial styling does take longer. Not only that, but you need to think about fitting in your maintenance appointments every 6 to 8 weeks. I can't stress enough how important it is to be attending your maintenance appointments when they're due. You can't just think, oh, I can't afford it this week, or I've not got time in the next 2 weeks to get my maintenance done. If you do that, you will the hair extensions will start to cause damage to your own hair. So it's so important to make that time and stick to your maintenance appointments. The third thing which you need to take into consideration is the aftercare. Because when you've got hair extensions, you will have a whole new aftercare regime to make them last longer and to keep them healthy and looking good. So I would just make sure that you have gone through with a fine-tooth comb everything you need to know about your aftercare. Have a good read through and just know all of the things which you need to know about, which are going to include your hair drying, how you're going to sleep with them, what you're going to do with them on holiday, what products to use, how to blow dry and curl them and when. It's just all the advice that you'll be able to get off your stylist. I've also done another video like going through my recommended things which I tell my clients to be mindful of. The fourth thing which I would think about before you get hair extensions fitted is how they're going to feel in your hair. Now this sounds so like crazy, but when you get them fitted in your hair, you are going to feel little beads here, or you're going to feel a weft. So if you're somebody who likes to like run your fingers through your hair and anything little in there would just annoy you, or anything when you're washing, you just need to think about how they're going to feel, because they are going to feel different. And I would say expect that when you get them fitted on the first day, I'd say the next 2 days you'll almost feel like you've had like a tight bobble in your head. Not because the hair extensions are tight, but your head just aches a little bit when you've got something new that's attached to your hair. So I would just be mindful of how it's going to feel. The fifth thing I want to make you fully aware about is how easy it is to just let your blow dry last for days when you've got hair extensions in. So when you have hair extensions fitted, and you curl them or style them, your curls will last for days, you know. So that is one thing to be really like excited for if you're gonna get hair extensions. If a bride comes to me and she wants to wear her hair down on a wedding day, like 90% of the time, unless she's got like really thick coarse hair, I will always suggest putting hair extensions in, because I know that them curls are gonna stay in. The sick thing to know about before you get hair extensions fitted, or if you're thinking about having them done, is to, when you go to your appointment, make sure you've sort of washed your hair before you get them fitted in like a cleansing shampoo. So this is just something which is gonna cleanse any dirt out of your hair. It's not gonna leave any like conditioner seal on it, so it's not gonna be smooth and silky. It's just gonna get all of the dirt out of your hair, just so that there's a nice clean base for that hair extension to be fitted to. And use a clarifying shampoo. Don't use any conditioner. And then what I would do is wash hair just with the shampoo. It might feel a little bit like a bit luggy because you're not putting any conditioning products onto it. So yeah, shampoo with the clarifying shampoo, get out the shower, and then I would just blast dry it off and style it. So you could, if you wanted to blow dry it smooth or come with it straight, then that would be ideal if you're gonna go and get them fitted. Anyways, I wanna thank you for watching my video today. I hope for anybody who is looking to get hair extensions, I hope that my bit of advice might help you or make you think about some things which you might not have thought about before. And I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.